chrysler Productions.
So this is the GearWrench fan clutch service kit, part number 41580D. I ordered this tool online for $73 shipped, and its main function is removing and installing thermostatic fan assemblies while eliminating the need for various size holding wrenches. So the kit comes with 5 different size fan nut wrenches, including a 36mm, a 50mm with the 22mm just below it, a 47 and 40mm nut wrench as well. The universal pulley holder tool that the kit comes with feels sturdy and well made. It's designed to hold boat-door style pulleys for most vehicles, and it comes with removable pins for those Chrysler style water pumps. This kit also comes with extra attachments that you can just screw into place that covers a variety of applications. As for the blow motor case, once everything is put into its proper place, you don't have to worry about anything falling out of place and dropping on the floor the next time you go to open it. Now that that's out the way, let me show you how to use it. So this is my Grand Cherokee with the 5.2 liter V8 engine. I need to replace the water pump, but to get to the water pump, I have to remove the fan clutch. The 2 pins on the pulley holder will go inside 2 of the holes on the water pump pulley like this. Now I can keep the water pump pulley from spinning when I go to loosen the fan nut. I'll be using the 36mm fan nut wrench that came with the kit. You just put it on, hold the pulley stationary with the tool, and turn the fan nut counterclockwise for removal. You can use a 1/2-inch drive breaker bar with the fan nut wrenches for more leverage if necessary. Installation is of course reversal removal, and that's a quick look at the GearWrench fan clutch service kit. I not only unboxed it, but I showed you how to use it as well. Check out the description of this video for the applications guide, and until next time, y'all stay tuned.